Hi everyone, and welcome back to Easy Art for You. Today, we're drawing a calm and magical nighttime landscape with pine trees, a peaceful scene under the stars that's simple, relaxing, and so much fun to create. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of our cozy and creative drawing tutorials. And here's a question to inspire your imagination. If you were walking through this quiet forest at night, what would you hope to see? Share your ideas in the comments, we'd love to read them. Let's take a deep breath, relax, and start drawing this peaceful night scene together. Beautiful work, artists! Your nighttime pine forest looks calm, dreamy, and full of wonder. Thanks so much for drawing with us today on Easy Art for You. If you enjoyed this relaxing tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other nature and landscape drawings. There's always something peaceful and inspiring to create. Keep drawing, stay cozy, and we'll see you in the next video.